Greetings fellow masters and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about my compact DM kit. So I'm making a compact kit so I can take it on the road with me without it taking up too much space. And I happened to, it started with when I found this awesome little case. It's not very thick, it's got awesome handles, and it's actually stackable if you get multiple of these boxes. But the thing that really got me started is it fits a player's handbook, a dungeon master's guide, or a monster's manual, depending on what. You can maybe even be able to squeeze two. You can squeeze two, but you maybe even be able to squeeze three in, because I got something underneath here that I'm going to show you in a short while. So on top here I have a little folder which holds these card holding sleeves. This is for when I'm lazy. I just take a page out of my full binder with all the monsters in, and I can put it in here. And these are the printable heroes from his Patreon. These are the free versions that actually are just laminated paper cutouts that I've glued together, and they're nice. They're doing a good job. And I have some stands here where you can like put them down here and then put them on the table, and they will be standing up as monsters or NPCs or whatever. There's even like doors and barrels and crates and stuff like that. So there's lots of cool stuff in it. So this is what I have here on top, because that's the only place it fits currently. Down below, I usually, if I don't want to use that, I have this little card holder where I have also the printable minis in. It fits most of them in this one, and it's a lot more compact. If I don't want to use the printable minis, like have things up, I want to go even more compact, I have this little coin holder that holds these. These are some resin tops that are see-through that you put on top of the image, and then some cardboard backing, and it gives these small tokens that you can use for your games. These are awesome if you really want to go compact and still have something on the table. Now this case comes with all these holders here. I've taken out most of them, but they still easily holds like cards and stuff like that for spells, pizza topping things for flight stands, and all the other things. I have like measuring tapes, and the best part, IKEA pencils. These are short, and players always forget writing utensils, so might as well get these, right? And here comes the cool part. So beneath this book I have not only a pencil case to help fill it out with writing utensils for myself, but I also have two VHS tape cassettes, or whatever they're called. And in this one I have converted it into a dice and miniature holder. There's a room for miniature there. You can have cards here, some writing things for if you have like tiles you can write on and stuff like that. I think it's really awesome. And then there's even room for one more that I haven't done anything to yet. But later on in another video I will go into what I also use these for, along with the DVD cassettes too, because these can stand on their own on the table. You can have like things written on one side, stats for characters, and your character name on the other, so all the other players can see it. And you can actually even write on this with the dry erase markers too. So these are amazing, and I'm glad I still have a bunch of these in my basement. So this is a little bit about my compact DM kit. I hope you find it interesting and inspiring. If you got any ideas, improvement, or anything else, please let me know down below, because hey, this is only just started. I have so many changes. This is just like what I could throw in and stuff. I'm gonna do more with these because there's way too many, and I'm never gonna need that many stands at a time. And so I'm gonna figure out more things and how to tweak it. I'm gonna show you as I build this on the fly. But yeah, if you like what you see, hey, please subscribe us YouTubers or something, or just click that thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't like what you saw. But please let me know what you think of this video so I can improve it. But yeah, thank you for stopping by, and thank you for making it this far. See you out there.